Hey guys, Brian with VetteSource checking in tonight. This evening, what I thought I'd feature for you real quick are a new old stock pair of floor mats for C3 Corvettes. These would be for the later C3 models, 78 through 82, that actually have the carpeted floor mats with the Corvette logo embossed in them. As you can see, looking at these are a very bright red floor mat. You know, Corvettes have always had that kind of vibrant color with them over the years, and these are no exceptions. Floor mats are kind of a funny thing that, you know, they're kind of an unnoticeable item if they're there working, but if they're really soiled or missing, then all of a sudden you notice. So, and it's kind of unusual to even come across new old stock floor mats. A lot of times these just got used and thrown out, worn out, especially here in the center portion. These are in incredibly good shape, excellent condition. They've just pulled out of the box. You can see there's the original box right there for them. Of course, heavy box wear from just sitting on the shelf, but these have never been used. I kind of unrolled these for the first time tonight to take a look at them. Still kind of curled up a little bit. I don't even think, let's see, yeah, they do say left hand. There's that GB2. I think that's a symbol from the marker or the maker that makes these. These are the earlier ones. They do not have the part numbers embossed in them. But it's kind of a heavy nap, more than what you see, kind of like the earlier carpet style you'd see from cars in the 70s. These don't have any fading or damage of any type at all. The nap is still pretty straight and secure. Corvette logo's in good shape. There's no fading of it. These have been out of the sunlight for a long time, so they're really nice. Stitching looks good on the back side. No separation in the stitching, so they're really, really good. And like I said, these are one of those things that you don't notice them until they're gone, and then you're like, hey, I need a set of floor mats. So for you guys that are into original parts for your Corvettes, or would like something to make it pop a little bit, especially if you got that bright red interior, these are available through my business here, VetteSource. You can reach me at 832-654-7367. Thanks for checking in tonight, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video of either some more parts or some other things that I've got going on. So let me know what you think down below, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks again for checking in.